Hi friends, today's lesson is for close read number 4, A Bed for the Winter. Our learning goal for today says, I can ask and answer questions about a text. You know what? I have a big old question about this text. Maybe you had the same question when we read it the first time. What is this page for? Yeah, do you have any ideas? That's a big question for me. Okay, so let's start with the basics. What's the title of this page? Can you put your finger on where the title would be? Yeah, it's way up here at the top. Let me read it for you. Picture word list. All right, the title normally gives us clues. So this page says picture word list. So what do you think we're going to find on this page? Ding, 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 ding. Pictures of words in a list. Hence the name. Okay, got to look at the title because I had no idea what was going on this page. Okay, so, all right, another question. How are the words organized? It said it's a word list. Let's look. Are they normally, sometimes they're in ABC, so let's see. A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. No, that's not alphabetical order. M, N, S, D, C, B, T? No, no, no. That is not alphabetical order. So they're not ordered and alphabetized. Let's see. Do you notice what about these? Page 34, page 37, page 39. Oh, I see a trend. Page 42, page 44, page 47, and page 50. Hey, the page numbers. The words are organized according to what page we're going to find them on in the story. Why do you think they go in order of like where we'll find them in the story and not in alphabetical order? Yeah, so we can see as we read the text, we're going to start at the meadow, then the nest, then the stump. That kind of gives us direction as we go through the story, so that's helpful. I'm glad they organized it by page number, that's for sure. You know what else? All right, so let's try to use that. On what page would you find the word burrow? Burrow, 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 burrow. There it is. So what page number is that right there, friend? Yeah, it's 47. So if I turn to page 47, I'm going to see all about the rabbits in their burrows. Cool. All right, this is fun. I like this word list page. What about you? Yeah. Oh, cool. All right, so let's really work hard on this one. How can you figure out what the word stump means? Can you find the word stump in our picture word list? Let's see, meadow, nest. Ah, stump. There it is. Here's a picture of stump, and it said, how can you figure out what the word stump means? Well, you look at the picture, it kind of looks like a chunk of a tree or something. But you know, where could we go to learn more about stump? Yeah, page 39. Yeah, let's do that. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and read what it has to say. And listen for the word stump. A queen wasp sleeps under an oak stump. She has squeezed through a crack in the rotten wood. But a crack in an old stump is too small for a dormouse. The dormouse looks in and then scurries by. Okay, so did you hear stump? Yeah, I heard it twice right there. Oak stump is what they're talking about. Hey, and there's the picture up here too. All of those working together, and then this big picture, of course, help us to understand what the word stump means. Man, I'm glad they had a little picture there so that we know what to look for. All right, back to our picture word list. What about... Wait. I'm just wondering, these pages aren't all on just this page, right? These little pictures? Is this the only page where we see these little bitty pictures? No, where do we see them? Yeah, we see them on the pages that we find them in. So like this one has meadow right there, and then we can learn about meadow on this page. So what can we learn about the word in the box on this page? Well, meadow says a fluffy-tailed dormouse stops in a meadow. So where's the setting happening? Yeah, he's in a meadow. That's the setting. Cold rain is falling. Soon snow will be coming. The dormouse is looking for somewhere to sleep. He needs a bed for winter. So this tells me that he's in a meadow because I see the little picture and the big picture. And he's on his way going to find a home. Perfect. What about this little box? This word is a den. What can I learn about den on this page? Yeah, if I know this is a den in the little picture, what do I see sleeping in the den in the big picture? A bear. Yeah, So that probably tells me that bears sleep in a den, right? Yeah, that box is helpful, especially when answering questions. Because, like, if I said, "What's the den for?" you could just look at the picture clues to probably figure that out. It's for a home for a bear. I like that. Why do the word boxes appear on the same page as text where it's talked about? So, like, right here it says, "A mother bear sleeps in the den." Why would they have a picture of a den right there, too, in the little box? Yeah, probably to highlight that it's important on this page, yeah? To understand what a den is. I like it. Good observation, friends. What about this one? How do the word boxes in the rest of the page help you answer questions about the text? All right, so let me go ahead and read the text on this page, and then we'll talk about the word box. The dormouse runs through the meadow. Her heart pounds like a drum. She climbs up a tree trunk. She crawls into a hole. She finds a place that is safe and dry. Okay, so I see the little word box right here is tree trunk. So why do you think they put that there, that little box? Yeah, tree trunk's important to this page. And I know from the picture that what's happening with the dormouse in the tree trunk. Yeah, the dormouse found a hole to sleep in. Cool. It also says in the text. So see, I can use the boxes, the pictures, and the words to help me figure out what is going on this page. Okay, that's really helpful when I'm asking and answering questions, right? Yeah, I love all the clues the author's putting in here for us. Okay, our exit ticket is this. We're going to look at this box, burrow. And I want you to tell me, what is a burrow and why is it a good home for rabbits? So here's a picture of a burrow, but we also know we can learn information from the text and the pictures. So go ahead and answer that question in a video, and I cannot wait to hear what a burrow is and why is it a good home for rabbits. Good luck, friends.